Early 2020 saw an unprecedented surge in home prices. Record low mortgage rates, fueled by pandemic-era policies, ignited a frenzy of buyer activity. Demand quickly outstripped supply, creating a seller's market with fierce competition and skyrocketing prices. Bidding wars became commonplace, often pushing sale prices far above asking. The dream of homeownership seemed increasingly out of reach for many, particularly first-time buyers. Those priced out of their local markets reconsidered their options, delaying homeownership or seeking more affordable regions. The rapid price appreciation raised concerns about a potential housing bubble. Some experts cautioned about a possible market correction. The Federal Reserve's decision to raise interest rates had a direct impact on the housing market. Mortgage rates climbed steadily upward, making mortgages more expensive. The days of securing a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage below 3% were gone. This shift in affordability had a chilling effect on demand. Buyers became more cautious as their purchasing power eroded. The increased cost of borrowing meant higher monthly mortgage payments. Many first-time buyers found themselves priced out of the market. Homes lingered on the market longer, and bidding wars became less frequent. The balance of power began to shift from sellers to buyers. The market dynamics were clearly changing. Inflation further compounded the challenges facing the housing market. Rising prices for essential goods strained household budgets, leaving less for housing. This financial squeeze forced many potential homebuyers to delay their plans. The cost of construction materials and labor also increased, adding to home prices. Builders faced higher costs, contributing to the affordability crisis. Buyers faced higher borrowing costs and reduced purchasing power. Sellers had to adjust their expectations as demand cooled. The market was transitioning to a more balanced state. The COVID-19 pandemic prompted many to reconsider their living arrangements. Remote work fueled demand for larger homes in suburban and exurban areas. The ability to work remotely allowed buyers to explore housing options further afield. The rise of remote work also contributed to the surge in demand for vacation homes. This trend intensified competition in already tight housing markets. As the pandemic subsided, some remote workers reassessed their housing needs. The ongoing evolution of work patterns continues to shape the housing market. Remote work has opened up new possibilities for where and how we live. The housing market began to see a gradual increase in available homes. This shift provided hope for buyers facing limited choices and fierce competition. Homes no longer flew off the market within hours of listing. Rising interest rates and cooling demand prompted some sellers to hold off on listing. The increase in new construction began to inject more inventory into certain markets. Buyers found themselves with more options and negotiating power. Bidding wars became less frequent, giving buyers more time to make decisions. The return of inventory offered a renewed sense of optimism. The market was moving towards a more sustainable equilibrium. In this evolving market, both buyers and sellers need to adapt their strategies. Buyers can be more selective and strategic in their home search. With less competition, buyers can take their time to find the right home. Buyers should be prepared to negotiate and secure pre-approval for a mortgage. Sellers need to be realistic about pricing and highlight their property's unique features. Sellers should be prepared to negotiate and be flexible with timelines. Effective communication with real estate agents is essential for success. Experts closely monitor key indicators to predict home prices. Rapid price appreciation is unlikely to continue at the same pace. Experts anticipate a more moderate and sustainable rate of growth. Factors include interest rates, inflation trends, and economic growth. Strong demand and limited inventory suggest a significant price correction is unlikely. Regional variations will persist, with some areas experiencing stronger demand. Understanding these dynamics helps buyers and sellers make informed decisions. The housing market is not a monolith. While regional variations shape local conditions, job growth, population trends, and local economic conditions all play a role. Cities with robust job growth may see strong demand even as other areas cool down. Regions with limited land availability may experience tighter inventory and stronger price appreciation. Buyers may need to expand their search to more affordable areas. Sellers need to adjust their pricing and marketing strategies accordingly. Staying informed about local market trends is crucial for making sound decisions. The recent cooling of the housing market is a natural rebalancing. A more stable market benefits both buyers and sellers. Buyers can enter the market without feeling pressured to make hasty decisions. Sellers still benefit from underlying demand for housing. Realistic pricing and marketing strategies are key for sellers. Adapting to changing market dynamics is essential. Monitoring economic indicators and trends helps make informed decisions. A balanced market allows for greater negotiation and favorable terms.